Welcome back to Active Duty Outdoors. Day number 2, opening weekend. That one was a squirter. Holy moly, I need a shower. Keep watching. Get him, Jeremy. Is there? Yeah. I can smell him. Huh? I can smell more. I can smell somebody. Oh, yeah. And he's on him? Yeah. There we go. Go get him. There we go.
How about bulldog? He's pretty good size unit.
You guys see him? You guys saw it come out?
Yeah, I chased him across the field.
Oh, no kidding?
If I wouldn't have had to stop and throw my bulldog back on top, I hit it. I caught him.
I all missed him. I told Jimmy, I said, get the other side, I'm going to dump you off on him.
Yeah, it looks like cutter.
I've been with him the whole time. They went all the way around through here.
Nah, he come out the corner. He was down there by the damn trucks when I seen him.
I don't know if anything was on him.
Not when I seen him, he was just
standing there. He was just standing there. He done seen me.
If we can run him back up the head there, we might get him. He was running right.
There goes one. There goes a bunch of little ones. Look at them all. Get them! There goes another one. Hey, is that a healthy one too?
Belly flopped it.
Oh, look at you. Look at you.
Get a little get.
No, that's a board thing. Get down here.
Gonna hit the pond. Something done hit the pond.
There's something.
What is that?
You see it? Yeah, I see something right there.
Oh, that bulldog.
That looks like a hog right there.
I believe it is. That was a hog, I believe.
Still standing there. They gotta have one buried down there because they're all right there. Let's go see what's down there. There's 4 dogs on that one spot. They're on something. Big hog?
There's another bulldog. He's big.
All right. Yeah, they got him. All right, bring him in. Get him, Jeremy. Yep.
I give him a big knife.
Right back here. I got one right here. You got it? There you go. Watch him, watch him, watch him. It's all on my face. That was good. All right, folks, we're getting rained on out here now, but so far we got that one big sow, then a bunch of babies come running out after we try to get on a big boar. Now we're getting a little drizzle, light drizzle. Hopefully this will quit pretty soon and we'll be able to get back on some hogs. But for right now, this might just pause us for a minute. The dogs are still out on scent, but we'll see if this messes with them. Cut hog. Cut hog. Cut hog. Cut hog. Cut hog. Out. Cut hog. Come on. Out. Alright, so we're hoping these dogs are about to flush out this big boar hog. So while we wait, check out this drone footage of what these hogs are doing to these crops. And this is just one farmer's field, and it's not even planted, really planted yet. So check it out. Hopefully we'll come back on.